Tiptoe, sing a song, lost. Go wherever we go. The beauty's in the travel.
Hello. So I got more clothes, but you know what they say, hot girls get their summer outfits 6 months ahead. So I guess that makes me a hot girl. Jokes aside, I did get more clothes. I'm just gonna show you guys the things I got. Actually, I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing. I'm actually wearing two items that I just got. So the top under is like a ruched crop camisole top, and it's one of like YesStyle's best seller, and you'll see in the try on, but it's very cute. I like how it fits, and I like that it's a very straight line, like square neck top. I find that it's the most flattering shape on my body, and I got it more for layering. So I'm gonna be wearing cardigans over it, like very thin cardigans, and I'm also thinking of like dresses where it has like a cutout here, so I can wear it like that. I find it very, very cute. But yeah, and then over this I layered this, like, I don't even know how to describe this top. Yeah, basically it ties in two areas here. Just like, I really like the design. I don't own anything at all like this, and I find that the fit is very flattering. Like, my arms, they fit very, very tight, and it's nice. It's very thin, so it's perfect for the spring and the summer, and it just adds more like personalities in my outfits. And I want to like pair this with a very like voluminous and ruffled skirt in black, which I have. But yeah, that's how I plan on wearing this. And actually I got the exact same thing, but in white. That's how much I liked it, and I'm happy I got both of them. Very cute. It gives really like ballerina vibe, in my opinion. I don't really know what ballerina wear. I don't think they wear anything like this, but it gives me that type of aesthetic. But yeah, okay, next I got a blouse, and I don't know if I included this in my last or my next video, but I got the same one in brown, and I adore it. It fits so nicely. It's so flattering. It's very flowy. I tend to own really fitted items, and I just thought that it was time to get something more like relaxed, casual, and it's perfect to layer. I have different other colors, and I'm thinking maybe I should get them too. It's just so nice. What I liked the most are the sleeves, the bell sleeves. Adorable. Then I got this top. I feel like a lot of you guys will like this. I feel like it's gonna be very, very trendy, or maybe it has already been trendy this coming season. Lace, I've been really into lace and ruffles, which is something I never thought I would be into. I actually used to be like kind of disgusted by lace. Never gonna wear lace ever again. It's not really something that is ever gonna come back into style. I don't know why now I'm so into it. It's crazy how like fashion works, or how my preferences work. I like everything except for the fact that it's very wide. I don't know if you guys can see, but I find it very, very wide. Next thing I got is this cute little ruffled top, also one of YesStyle's best sellers. But honestly, I really like it, but there's a lot of cleavage going. So maybe I should have gotten this top under right here that you see, but in black instead. But it's super, super cute. I rarely ever get dresses on YesStyle because I'm just scared that it doesn't fit me, or it's too short, or it's too long. But I wanted to get this one because it has been on my wish list in a while, and this one also has like lace. It's very feminine, very cute. It's very flattering on my body, but I find it kind of long, so it's not really that much of a big deal because I can just I can cut it and sew it. But it's very, very cute. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. Next, I got myself a pair of cargo pants, and I'm so happy I got these. I rarely get any pants on YesStyle because I find that they don't fit me, but cargos, actually, they fit me most of the time, because I like to have them like low-waisted, which is exactly how it is. And wait, let me compare it to the picture, because most of the time it just doesn't look like the picture. Okay, well, unfortunately it does not look like the picture at all, not even a bit. Picture it's extremely low-waisted. This is more like mid-waist. The material in the picture is more like a waterproof, like cargo utility wear type of texture and fabric. However, this one is just some cheap cotton. I'm guessing is this cotton? Yes, this is 95% cotton, and you can easily tell it's just like, you know. Favorite item in this entire haul, I love skirts, but I haven't been buying that many skirts from YesStyle lately because they don't fit me. They're too big for me. But this skirt, it's so cute, and the fact that like the design is already adorable. I love the plaid plus the little belts here, and it fits me perfectly because it's very adjustable here. I'm in love with this skirt. I cannot wait to style this. It's so cute. It's this one here. To be honest, I'm not quite sure why I got this, so I'm not really sure anymore why I got this, and I don't like how it fits. Like, there's way too much lace going on here, so I don't know. And these shoes, honestly, I'm not sure why I got these, because okay, I know I wanted platform shoes because I'm too short for I'm way too short for most of the pants I got, so I wanted something that would give me height, which is exactly what it is. It's very like comfortable. However, I'm not sure why I got this design because there's a lot of weird things going on here. Like, it says Best Vogue on the lace, and like I don't really want to walk around with this design here. Even on the side, it doesn't fashion. I think they purposely did not spell this right. So last but not least, I got this beauty product. I wanted to try it out. It's the Apricot Collagen Youth Firming Ampoule. I still have yet to try it, but I've heard a lot of good reviews about it. The packaging is insane. I think this is the first ampoule I've ever owned. Okay, so that was it for my haul. I hope you guys liked it. I don't know, do you guys find this entertaining to watch me just talk about clothes all the time? Honestly, I think about fashion every day, 24/7 pretty much. It's kind of crazy because then I'm wondering, what if you're not into fashion, what are you thinking about? I have here like a shit ton of helicopters, but I don't think about helicopters all the time, even though I do study them every day. There's not a single day that I don't try to get inspired and try to see what can I do next. The next step would just be to actually bring those ideas into life, which I'm struggling a lot right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!